So we're about a few weeks out right now, and we got Cruising the Coast coming up. We got the trailer somewhat loaded up. We got the Civic in there. We got the bike in there. And we are still working on the Excursion, trying to finish some stuff up. And as you can see, we have the tires mounted. We have the lift done. We were working on the air conditioning to get that working because we're down here in the southern Alabama, Florida, it's the heat, and it's just gonna be terrible. Plus over in Cruising the Coast, it's probably gonna be warmer. Last year it was. But we have the Civic all loaded up. We have the Amsoil all loaded up, and we have our audio gear that we're loading up as well too. So this is gonna be a pretty good event, I think. So yeah, we got Civic all loaded up. We still got some wrap that we gotta finish up on this. Get that all ready. We got the wrap here done. I have the new pieces here, which I have to get installed still. And fix all this stuff here where the wrapper pretty much did a crap job. As you can see, that looks like crap. Yeah, so. Plus we have our shelves and stuff that we're getting loaded up and getting all ready. And then back here, we have all of our Amsoil stuff. You can't see really too much back there, but Diamond is back there, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun time, I think. Woo. Whoops. And yeah, so if you guys are gonna be out there, hit us up. You know, we're gonna be at the Biloxi Coliseum, which is it's in Biloxi, but it's the Mississippi Coliseum down there in Biloxi. And we're gonna be at booth 306 and all the way to 308. And we'll have this bad boy all set up. Look for our Amsoil flags flying high in the sky, and look for the Excursion, the bike, and I need a name for it still, the Civic. So we don't have our other car yet. That is still a reveal that we're coming out with, but we have a 2000 Stagia coming. And if you guys are not sure what that is, here's a preview. Yeah, we got some stuff we got to finish up. For the most part, I think we're almost ready. We will have a display all set up. We got some pieces that we still need to bolt to the side here for the flags that are going to go up on the top here, and they should extend up on the front sides there. We got two of them. And then the actual awning piece that actually goes on the side over here. And then we're going to be decorating this all out as well too, with all of our Amsoil gear, Diamond Audio, DS18, and all of our stuff. So I'm hoping our merchandise gets here in time. We have a whole bunch of merch that we ordered for like t-shirts and stuff. I'm just hoping it gets here in time and we can get it out there. So yeah, look for us out there, tag us out there, and you can possibly win something. We'll be putting together something for that later on and talking a little bit more about it for the weeks to come. So short video this week. Just been busy doing a lot of stuff trying to get this all ready. We've been more focused on that. Plus I need some comfort and getting the air conditioning and everything done in that. So we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.